If you want to make huge trades like this that are definitely going to set you on the path to success in the trading markets, then this is the video for you. I paired up UT bot alerts with an AI indicator to give you the best possible results on a trading strategy that nobody is talking about. Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name is Trades by Mo. Let's not waste any more of your time. Make sure not to skip any of the video. Get yourself comfortable, get relaxed, get a pen and paper, and let's get straight into the strategy. So we're on the 5-minute chart, and the first thing we want to do is head up to indicators and type in UT bot alerts. This is by Quant Nomad. Add that to your chart and then double click on it so we can enter the settings. On the input section, the key value is 1 and the ATR period is 10. I have the signals from Heikin-Ashi candles turned off, and on the style, both bar colors are also turned off. Before I show you how to add it, let me show you why Flux Charts is the best in the business. They wanted to sponsor today's video to show you how powerful their premium indicators actually are. I have previously tested them on this channel and had insane results, and for only the price of one takeaway a month, you could gain access to life-changing indicators and an amazing community of other like-minded traders, all the way from beginner to expert, that are making money the same way you want to. So check them out risk-free with the first link down in the description and in the comments section, and seeing exactly how much value they cram into this tiny membership fee. Flux Charts has been very generous to offer you a 20% off if you use code MO at checkout. So please go check them out for yourself. And thank you again to Flux Charts for sponsoring today's video. Okay, so the second indicator that I will be adding to the chart is my good old favourite sessions on charts. Add that one to your chart and then double click on the settings. I like to just change all the backgrounds to white, but for this strategy we will only be focusing on the New York session. So you want to make sure that you turn off London, Tokyo and Sydney, and then we can get into how you're going to make money with this strategy. The final indicator for this strategy is the AI Moving Average Expo by Zayaman. Double click on the settings and I'll show a screenshot of my best settings here. Make sure the settings all match and then let's get into it. So for this strategy to work, step 1 is the New York session. We will only be trading during the New York times, but the good thing about this strategy is we won't be at the charts for very long. Rule number 2 for this strategy is we'll be using the AI Moving Average Expo as an indication for market trend, and this will tell us exactly where we need to enter and where we need to exit. So when the New York session starts, we want to make sure that either the AI Expo is green for a buying trend or red for a selling trend. This will determine the direction of trades that we take. When we zoom in, you can see straight away that the AI Moving Average Expo is red. This indicates that we're in a downtrend and there is selling pressure. Now we wait for the UT bot alerts indicator to give us our first sell, which is right here. For this strategy to work, I do recommend only taking the first 2 signals of the session. Not every trade will be successful, but all that matters most is consistency. Okay, so we're in the New York session. Step 2, check the color, the AI line is red. Now step 3, we wait for our first sell. We had a buy here which wasn't valid. Then shortly after we have our sell confirmation right here. We'd enter our trade at the close of the candle, and our stop loss then goes directly above the selling candle. What we're going to be focusing on is looking to the left, and we're going to be looking for important psych zones where the price has turned around. We'll be setting our take profit at those exact zones. Obviously the trade didn't hit, price pulls back to the AI line, and then we are given our second and final sell confirmation for the day. Now we don't want to target this same level again, as it is below a 1 risk to reward ratio and we never want to do that when trading. So we're going to zoom out and look to the left a bit more. You can see right here at this point there was a rejection right here, so we can target this zone. And this trade hit for a 3.49% risk to reward. So for a buy trade, we're doing the exact opposite. Step 1 is wait for New York session. Step 2 is to wait for a green AI Moving Average Expo, which is right here. And then step 3 is to wait for the buy indicator. But this right here is the confirmed entry that we can take. Enter our long position on the close of the candle, stop loss right below, and then we'd be looking to the left for our psych zone. This is right here at a huge reversal. Now the trade didn't hit, but if it did, that would have given us an almost 15% profit. Moving on, we wait for this buy right here to confirm. Put your stop loss at the bottom of that candle, And again, we put our take profit to the psych level there. This one is above a 1% risk to reward ratio, so it's still safe to target the previous take profit level. And this trade would have hit take profit, giving us a 2.3%. So overall 1.3% profit for the day. So it is now time to see the results. Please hit that subscribe button, and thank you very much for clicking on this video yet again. Okay, so here are the results for the AI and UT bot alert indicator strategy. You can see we started the account with an initial balance of $100, and every trade, no matter the take profit, had a stop loss of 1%. We had a win rate of 61% and made 329% on the account, taking it all the way to $429. Overall, I think a 61% win rate isn't pretty bad at all, considering we would have made 300% plus in 100 trades. And if you enjoyed this video, then click one of these right here, and thank you very much for supporting the channel as always.